Very berry-looking stockings. I don't know. You'll have to ask Mom.
They don't have anything on Gone with the Wind in here, hardly. Where's Wizard of Oz?
The magic hour is approaching.
That's a junky book. Nothing on Gone with the Wind.
Are you going to wait for us to go to bed before you put the stuff in our stockings, Mom?
Yes. What time is it? The one by C.
Yeah, it's about 20 of 12. It's almost time to stuff the rest of the stockings, isn't it?
I so.
Oh, look, I got Julie working again. That's twice in one day.
Look, Julie, where's that? John, for somebody who's barking orders a week and a half ago, you sure have slacked off. I
Hey,
didn't see you lift nary a finger since Mom got here.
I decided if nobody else cares, why should I?